everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here that I ordered from Etsy, and I'm super excited. It came from overseas. I'm not even sure where it came from, but I have been knitting, as you guys know, and I needed to, there was a little piece that I knitted that needed a little pin to stick in it so that it would stay closed. And so I was looking and looking and looking in my jewelry box, and I didn't have anything that I really wanted to use. So I went to Etsy and looked, and I found some stuff, and I'm excited because it arrived. So let's see, what did I order? It was packaged really, really well, and I don't even remember what country it's from, but I will try to remember to link her store below, and if I forget, please tell me, and I will be happy to put it on. But look at how pretty this is, and the way that she did it on this beautiful burlap with lace. Oh my gosh. So look how pretty this is. This is a pen that you can put, you know, you can close something up with like this. Oh my gosh. And let me tell you, the prices of these were fabulous. I don't think I paid more than $6 for anything, if I even paid that. I don't even remember. But look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness. She has done a really good job. Now, I make some jewelry, which is why I was looking at that. I can make some, and I could probably make this if I really, really tried, but I don't have this thick of wire, nor do I have the, I mean, when I could get this for the price that I did, I don't have the desire to do it right now. So, oh my gosh. And the bags are cute. I mean, this has little hearts and flowers on it. This one has little moons and stars. And oh my gosh, so here's this one. Isn't that beautiful too? Oh my goodness. These are just gorgeous. I'm so excited. Ooh, and this one has a pretty flower on it. And this one closes differently. So look how it's like through there. So I'm just looking to see how I can put it back, if I remember. And it just closes like that. Well, how neat is that? She does an awesome job. She is very good at her wiring. I mean, even these are a little bit hard to do, and to put this on so well with these little things, she's phenomenal. She did a great job. That's really cool. I like how that is done. I don't remember where it went. I even tried to remember. Wah! Because I want to put it back how I got it, because I like to do that. Because I'm a weirdo. Oh, I think maybe there. That one looks a little bigger. There we go. Okay, so put it through there. And then through here. Like that. Beautiful. And I'm going to give her a very good review. I give most people from Etsy good reviews because I just love that they, you know, take their time and do this for us. But this store is exceptional. Look at this. And so this is a gold one, and these are kind of yellowy. So it's just gold. I thought it would be pretty. And it is pretty, so I'm excited about it. I love the glittery on that. The sparkle and the shine. And then I think this one's just a stick pin, but I thought it was pretty too. So yes, it is. This is just a stick pin, so I can just stick this into whatever I need. But look at how pretty those are. Yay! So I will definitely put her store down below, and I hope that you guys try it because it is just gorgeous if you guys need anything like this. She had lots of things, so check her out, and her prices were extremely reasonable, and shipping is super quick. I did not expect this to be this package because I didn't think it would come already. So yay! Thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.